Alright, let's get drawing. It's time for the Fast and the Furious. We're gonna draw Fangmon. Alright. Alright, guys. Fangmon is a digimon from the well, I saw him on fandom. Fangmon is a digimon that resembles a wolf. Well, more of a well, he's more of a bear dog. If you ask, he's more of a bear dog. Alright, so when drawing bear dog, as in Fangmon, you must start with the eyes and the teeth. Here we go. There's his belt. Hold on a sec. There we go. There we go. Let's start by drawing his eye, then the mouth, let's start with drawing the eye, and then the ear on his forehead. Okay, so, like most Pokemon and most Digimon, he has this diamond shape on his ear, much like all the rest. Now we just draw the fangs. That's why they call him Fangmon. There we go. There are the jaws. Now we just draw this part here.
You see that? No. Burn up. It's a...
Okay, here's his belt. Here's the sash. Here the sash. And here are the... There's the fur. Here's the belt. We're gonna have to draw like a bunch of them. There we go. There we go. What a... All right. Now for the claw.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission Theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
Okay. There's the long body. Now we just draw the straps on his leg here. This song reminds me of Walking with Dinosaurs, or Chased by. This song reminds me of Chased by Dinosaurs. There we go. Now we just draw the tail.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Be sure to draw a curve. Be sure to draw a road-like line up here. And then just roll down. And that's fangmon. Alexa, what is a fang?
The noun, fang, can have a few meanings. 1. One of the long, sharp, hollow, or grooved teeth of a venomous snake by which poison is injected. 2. A canine tooth. 3. A tooth resembling a dog's. 4. The root of a tooth.
Alexa, what is a bear dog?
According to Wikipedia, Amphicyonidae is an extinct family of terrestrial carnivorans belonging to the suborder Caniformia. They first appeared in North America in the Middle Eocene, spread to Europe by the Late Eocene, and appear in Asia and Africa by the early Miocene. They had largely disappeared worldwide by the Late Miocene, with the latest recorded species at the end of the Miocene in Pakistan.
Now that's golden. Alright, there he is. The great golden guardian. Okay. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and rock and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. You know, for some reason, he looks like the Digimon version of Like and Rock Dusk form. That'd be awesome.